Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to avoid tolls, motorways and ferries on Google Map routes. So I'm using iPhone for this. It's going to be a very quick and simple video. If it has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Let's get into it. So I'm on my phone right now, and in the top right you can see the profile picture. Click in there, and then down near the bottom there's a gear icon and it says settings. Click in there, and that's going to give us a bunch of different settings that we can edit. The first one, getting around, and then it says navigation. Click in there and then scroll down to route options, and now we've got some different toggle options. From here you can either toggle on, that means that for the first one, avoid tolls, that means that we would actually avoid any tolls on the route that Google Maps is taking us on to our destination. You can toggle that off if you don't mind going through tolls. From there, avoid motorways as well. You can either toggle that on or off. And then avoid ferries as well. If Google Maps is basically showing you the direct route to a destination which involves taking a ferry, but you actually want to go the long way around and you want to avoid ferries, or maybe the ferries aren't running at that particular time that you're actually driving and trying to go to that destination, I would come in here and toggle that on so that it doesn't take you down that route and waste your time. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.